I feel like it has been so long since I've made a video specifically regarding pharmaceutical sales. I have had so many DMs. I literally cannot keep up with it about getting help, getting into the industry, if I know any recruiters. So if I haven't gotten back to you, I apologize. We were just on vacation. So I am doing my best to get back to every single person. I wanted to address the question right here because there has been a lot of confusion on a course that you can actually take to assist you into getting a job in the industry. So the course is called CMPR. It's essentially a pharmaceutical sales course that kind of gives you the rundown on insurance, how to talk to providers, how to sell medication, HIPAA laws, just regulation, compliance laws. And a lot of people are asking me if they should take it. They've gotten responses from recruiters back saying that, hey, once you complete the course, I can help you, find a position and we can go from there. So my 2 cents with this is that I personally did not take it. I was also in the same situation when I first started. I remember specifically one instance. It was a hiring manager for a company. They said that they would not interview me until I had that course done. To me, it was kind of a red flag that they wanted me to spend all this money on a course without even talking to me on the phone. So I personally stayed away from the course. I would highly suggest doing your own research and seeing if that's something that fits your budget, if that's something that you have the time for, and if that's really going to provide a result for you. When I was hired, I spoke to both my managers about the course. I was like, there's this thing, like, have you guys ever heard of it? CMPR certification. And they've both said that they never heard of it, nor would they ever ask a candidate to have that certification. Like I said, do your own research. It could potentially help you get a job just because it does open your eyes to the industry and give you some experience into it. But at the same time, it could also be a scam. So this is the course that I'm talking about. I'm not sure exactly how much money it is, but you can just type in CNPR into Google and it'll come up and you can do your research and see if it's worth your time and money. There is a lot of free resources out on the internet that you can simply look into. Just take some time to do your research to kind of get knowledge in the pharmaceutical industry. In terms of internships, actually, Eli and Lilly, they're a very big pharmaceutical company. They actually do summer internships with graduates, or maybe if you're not even a graduate, they do take students and put them into these programs and actually offer jobs after the internship. So if that is something that you're able to do, if you're able to look into, I would definitely look into Eli and Lilly internship programs. There's a lot. But actually just spend time into looking. I'm sure Pfizer does the same. I'm sure Johnson & Johnson does the same. There's a lot of companies that will actually do internships and then offer a job post-graduation. Hopefully that answered the question because a lot of you guys were asking the same question about the CNPR. If I can be of any help, let me know.